Welcome to the world of modern home design with Bifold glass doors exterior.
Imagine walking into a space where the indoors seamlessly blend with the outdoors. These are not just doors. They're a gateway to a lifestyle that embraces nature and light. Introducing our Bifold glass doors exterior, crafted to perfection with elegance and functionality in mind. Designed with high-quality glass panels, they allow natural light to flood your space, brightening up your home. And when fully opened, they create a wide opening, making your living area feel more spacious and connected to the outdoors. Not just stylish, our Bifold glass doors exterior are also built to last, with robust frames that ensure durability and security, available in various finishes and designs. They can be customized to match your home's unique aesthetic. Whether you're looking to enhance your home's curb appeal or create a more open concept living space, Bifold glass doors exterior are the perfect choice. So why wait? Transform your home with our Bifold glass doors exterior today. Visit our website to explore our collection and start your journey towards a more beautiful and connected living space. Thank you for watching. Let Bifold glass doors exterior open up new possibilities for your home. Stay tuned for more home improvement tips and ideas.